United Nation Entertainment, UNE. Bagong company para sa lahat. Talaga to. United Nation Entertainment, ito, the best of the best. Ito na, paggawaan ng mga laro, overall, English man o Tagalog, kahit anong lengguwahe. To United Nation Entertainment, UNE, 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 United Nation Entertainment, yan. Halika na, kung gusto mo magpagawa ng mga dekalidad ng laro at lahat, overall, overhead, all, UNE, 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 United Nation Entertainment, number one. Ito ang sub-network ng ELDT Electric Center, SLM Network Center, United Nation Entertainment, number one, yeah.